Good afternoon, class. Today we are going to start the new chapter, indices or exponents. Okay, this is the first lecture of chapter number 6. So let us start with the indices. Indices is the plural form of index, and index means power, power to a given number, or we can say that either if we multiply a number by several times like that, the repetitive manner of a multiplication of a single digit. Like if you have to multiply a 4 times, then we can see that this is a to the power 4. Or we can, if you want to multiply a up to n times, then we can say that this is a to the power n. Okay, so there are two basic terms. Okay, first one is a and second one is this. The first is base, this is the base, and second one, this is the index or power. Okay, index or power, these two are the basic terms of this chapter. Otherwise in this chapter we have more application are practical or are all based on the practical. Okay, this chapter is totally based on practical basis. Like we have to we have to deal with the multiplication of power, addition of powers, okay, subtraction of power, and fourth one is division of powers. So there is no more definition like chapters. Okay, we have a basic 5 to 6 law, and we have to follow all these law. Okay, so the first law is based on the addition. Okay, the first one is, if we have a base as a and power m into base a and power n, it means we have same base. If we have same base, then we have to add power. Okay, so we can say that this is equal to a to the power m plus n. Then second one is, instead of here, if we have minus in the power of n, so we have to replace plus with the minus. Okay, like that. Like if we have here division, a to the power n divided by a to the power n. Okay, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, we can write it as a to the power m upon a to the power n. Okay, now we have to put this value as a to the power m, and if you write it as, okay, so we have to write it as a to the power minus n. Okay, this is actually the 7th class terms. You have already familiar with this type of terms. When we have to replace this minus replace this power in the numerator, then we have to add negative here. Okay, negative sign, so that now we have again the simplest form, but the n is replaced with the minus n, so we have to replace here m minus n. So a to the power m divided by a to the power n is written as like this, a to the power m minus 1. Okay, so actually these two are the basic law. Just we have to define this, the multiplication and division, just differentiate the sign of the n. Okay, actually both are the same. Then we have third one is power of the power. Okay, like we have a and b to the power, let us suppose x. Okay, we can simply write it as a to the power x into b to the power x. Okay, here we have both have same powers. Like if you multiply 7 into 8 to the power 2, so we can say that 7 square into 8 square. This is the example for this. Okay, then fourth one, I am going according to your books. Okay, so Okay, next is the next law in the definition form. Okay, law 4, or in your book law number 3, that if we have power as a positive, okay, like we have two types of number, a negative number like we have -1, and a positive number, that is 1. Power of a positive number, okay, either it is positive, okay, it is always, if you have here 2 to the power 5, so we can say that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, okay, this is equal to 32. Now if we have here -2 to the power 5, then we have -2 into -2 into -2 5 times, okay. So the answer always is in negative, because odd number, because of odd number value, okay. So if power of a negative number is odd, okay, power of a negative number is odd, then answer is an odd number, okay, sorry, answer is in negative. So this is -32. Okay, this is the basic means of this. Okay, next we have law number 4, according to your books, a positive integer powers. Okay, like we have already discussed this power in law number 2nd. Okay, next we have when a positive integer power is raised to a positive integer power. Okay, okay, this is very important. Law number 5th. Don't remember these law, okay, you have to just focus on the question, and according to the question you have to use these law, okay. You don't have to remember these law, because these are the basics and you have to just use these. Now we have 5th one is, if you have a to the power x and to the power y, okay, like we have 3 to the power 2 and to the power 4. Okay, how we can split this term as the basic power? Okay, in this type of question, in this type of power, we have to just multiply the power like this. In question we have 3 square, means 3 into 3, and 3 into 3 to the power 4. So it means this power is multiply with this is the power of both of the 3. So we can say that 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. Now it is act like a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power n. Here m and n both are same, so we can say that a to the power m plus n, that is a to the power m plus n means 3 to the power 8. Or simply we can say that 3 to the power 2 into 4, that is also 3 to the power 8. Okay, this is the simplification of this. Now the next one, actually in law number 2nd we had discussed about the law number 6. Okay, so law number 4 we will discuss now. So this is 6th number. Now we have the same power with two different type of, like a to the power b upon x is split at a to the power x upon b to the power x. For example, we have 5 upon 2 to the power 3, okay, or let us suppose, okay, let 5 to the, so we can say that this is 5 cube upon 2 cube, that is 125 upon 8. Okay, directly we can say that this type of term, and if we have to split like this, so we can say that this is equal to this term. A to the power x means 5 to the power 3, b to the power x means 2 to the power 3, that is same. Okay, if you multiply 5 upon 2 to the power 3, so 5 into 5 into 5, then 2 into 2 into 2, that is similar to this. Okay, now we are moving towards the exercise. The exercise is very simple, exercise 6a. Sorry for any type of interruption, because I am not as per my 100% because of the health problem. Okay, so let us start with 6a. First part, x into x 5 times, it means x to the power 5. Okay, x to the power 5 multiply with x to the power 2. Okay, so it means x to the power 7. Now we have second one, -1 into n cube into n to the power 2. So here -1, then n cube, then n square. N square and n cube means n to the power 3 plus 2, that is 5. So we can say that minus n to the power 5, because -1 multiply with this n to the power 5. Third part again simple, we have to just add the power. Fourth one is minus x to the power 5. Okay, so first of all minus and minus plus, and this is x to the power 1 and x to the power 5. So add x to the power 1 plus 5, that is x to the power 6. Fifth one 3 into 5, 15. Then a to the power 7, 27 plus 7, that is 34. B to the power 8 plus 16, 24. C to the power 9 plus 8, 17. Okay. Similarly, in sixth part, x plus 2 whole square plus x plus 2 की power 4. So x plus 2 to the power 6. Okay. Now seventh part, 2m minus 3n and multiply with 2m minus 3n. So you have to just add the power. Okay. 6a plus 3a, 9a, and 10b minus 2b, that is 8b. Similarly, you have to do eighth part. Okay. Now question number second. In question number second, we have to just split out the power. Write each expression in the simplest form. X y to the power whole to the power cube. It means x cube y cube. Okay. Second, minus x to the power 5 means minus x to the power 5. This is similar to, we have minus x to the power 5. So can we say that we have to multiply minus x 5 times like this? So if you have a negative number and odd power, so answer is always in negative. So x to the power 5 is the answer. Okay. So next, third part, minus 2 to the power 4. So if we have a negative number and power is even, so answer is always in positive. So minus 2xy to the power 4. Minus 2xy to the power 4. Minus 2xy to the power 4. It means minus 2, we have to multiply minus 4 times. It means minus 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 minus. So if you multiply 4 times minus, then answer is always positive. Okay, minus minus plus and minus minus plus. Rest of the term, 2 to the power 4, that is 16, and x to the power 4 and y to the power 4. This is the answer. Okay, these are the very very simple question. Okay, question number 2 you have to do rest of the question by your own. Question number third, x to the power 6 divided by x to the power 2. We have to just subtract x to the power 6 minus 2, that is x to the power 4. Second part, x to the power 2a divided by a. 2a minus a. Answer is x to the power a. So we will discuss fifth part. Question number third, fifth part we have minus 8 x to the power 27 y to the power 21 divided by minus 16 x to the power 6 y to the power 17. Okay, the bracket is actually incomplete, so you have to add one bracket here. Okay, now the question is this. So we have to minus 8 x to the power 27 and y 21 upon minus 16 x to the power 6 and y to the power 17. First cancel minus with minus, 8 to the 16, so 2. Now x to the power 27, this x is x to the power minus 6. Okay, denominator just split it to minus in numerator. Okay, now we have y to the power 21 multiply with y to the power minus 17. Okay, upon 2, because 2 is in numerator. So 27 minus x, x to the power 21, and y to the power 21 minus 4, that is y to the power 4 divided by 2. This will be the answer. Okay, now we have two more questions. So question number 8 से देखते हैं पहले. Okay, थोड़ा डीपली समझते हैं. x to the power a minus b. So इस x को जब ऊपर ले जाएंगे तो इसकी पावर माइनस हो जाएंगी. माइनस मीन्स 2b माइनस ए के बाहर एक माइनस साइन ऐड हो जाएगा क्योंकि हम इसको न्यूमिनेटर में ले जा रहे हैं। वाई टू द पावर सी माइनस डी सेम रहेगा एंड ये वाई टू द पावर माइनस सी बन जाएगा। क्यों? क्योंकि इसको ऊपर ले जा रहे हैं। नाउ अब हमको x इंटू एक्स सेम बेस है तो पावर ऐड करनी पड़ेगी। x टू द पावर a माइनस बी माइनस 2b एंड माइनस माइनस प्लस a, ओके, माइनस 2b प्लस a एंड y टू द पावर c माइनस d माइनस c, सो c से c कैंसिल, a और a 2a, सो x टू द पावर 2a माइनस बी माइनस 2b माइनस 3b इंटू वाई टू द पावर माइनस डी, और इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं x टू द पावर 2a माइनस 3b अपॉन y टू द पावर d। ओके, नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, सो x टू द पावर 2 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 2a माइनस 4। ओके, नाउ वी हैव x टू द पावर a प्लस 5। ओके, a प्लस 5 को हम डायरेक्टली न्यूमरेटर में लिख के x टू द पावर माइनस ए माइनस 5 भी लिख सकते हैं। वाई इट इज बिकॉज जब हम न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से पावर डिनोमिनेटर में ले जाएंगे तो माइनस साइन हो जाएगा। 2 इंटू 2, सो एक्स टू द पावर 4a माइनस 8 एंड यहाँ पे दोनों पावर ऐड हो जाएंगे क्योंकि सेम बेस है, सो माइनस a माइनस 5 सारी पावर एक साथ आ जाएंगी, इनका क्यूब। ओके, 4a माइनस a 3a, सो एक्स टू द पावर 3a माइनस 13 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 3, सो वी हैव एक्स टू द पावर 3 3 जा 9a minus 39, so this will be the answer. Repeat the video for the more clarity. Okay, thank you so much. We will discuss next in the next lecture. We will discuss the next exercise. Okay.